The proof is always in the pudding. If you put in the work, the results will come. Not always right away, but in the end, if you are consistent in the quality and quantity of your work, the results will come. If you're adding value to others, the results will come. It's insanity to believe otherwise. If you're producing something of value, you will be rewarded. If you refuse to quit, if you continue to improve your skills, if you become the person who is the best in their field, the results will come. On the other hand, if you do what most do, which is put in the effort for a small amount of time and then quit as soon as things don't work in your favor, you'll never get the rewards. If you're only in it for you, if all you care about is what you get out of it, the results won't come. People buy from those who are genuinely adding value. Those who offer something that makes other people's lives easier. Those who offer something that makes other people's lives better. Be the person who adds that kind of value, and I promise you the results will come. Understand this. Money comes to those who don't work for money. They work to add value. They work for their purpose. The proof is always in the pudding. If you're adding the right ingredients, your pudding is always going to turn out just fine. If you're adding the right ingredients into your life and your business, everything will work out perfectly. I guarantee you that. If you're adding in hard work, if you're adding in learning, if you're adding in courage, if you're adding in honesty and integrity, if you're adding value to others, if you're in it to serve, not to get, if you're patient in waiting for that masterpiece to cook perfectly, it will come out just right. So get yourself in gear, no matter where you are right now. If you can't pay your bills, no problem. Know your results will come. If you commit, if you're disgusted with your body and health, no problem. That will pass when you commit. Do the work and dedicate yourself to a higher standard. The results will come. Wherever you are, start there. Wherever you are, commit to yourself that you'll never live like that again. The results will come. Today, I set a higher standard. I'm not going back. Never going back. That was a different person, a lower standard. I commit to better, and I know the results will come. I am committed. I am dedicated. I am all in. I promise my future self a better life, the highest standard. The results will come. The results will come. The results will come.